it just so arises that the main petitioner is Barani in that case. So by doing that, it becomes infructuous in nature. In a sense, it's null and void. So we have this firm belief that this transactional politics that NPP is playing, whereby they will buy anybody out to ensure that the law of the land does not prevail anymore. And I think that has played precedence over everything else. And I think, and there's a firm belief among some of us here that maybe it is a trick in which they will at least make the entire not judicial system a little weaker also. So they're ensuring that they're able to trump it. So now by Barani joining the NPP, we have to start the case all over again, because we were actually, I don't know the procedures that has been followed by the court. We were actually having very good grounds to fight against the three MLAs who have left us unconstitutionally. So we believe that this has made things a little bit more difficult for us, but then not necessarily that we will not pursue it, because we believe that the law of the land still continues to exist. What, as ma'am was saying, that we acknowledge his leave. Okay, there's no denying about that. But to say that we were surprised, I don't think so. We were surprised at all, because right from the MDC elections, we had noticed that his efforts towards our candidate Manphira Basayomaj was not there. In fact, there was a lot of mudslinging that was happening even in that constituency, which made us believe that things were not moving in the right directions. So the whole point is, if you ask us, it is a very troubling trend in which many of politicians in this state continue to pursue self-interest more than the political agenda, which is important.
The Congress Party today, we acknowledges the resignation of our Congress MLA Roni Lindo, and we appreciate his services he has done during his tenure. I read out his resignation letter, the content, why he resigned. He said in his resignation letter that he is resigning from the Congress Party because he was the party, his grassroots workers, party workers, they asked him to resign, and it is the desire of the Congress worker in his constituency. Therefore, he resigned as a Congress member and primary membership of Congress, I think he mentioned that way. Today, whatever may be the case, he has taken his decision along with his party workers. We have accepted, appreciate, and we have nothing to say against him. He worked for the party. He was an experienced man, worked for the Congress Party for a long time. But the reason why he has gone, shifted to NPP, it is known to him better. You can ask him. We don't know the reason, but only the letter he has given to us. From there only we have got it today. The party, Congress Party, we remain committed to its core values, and we will continue to work tirelessly for the welfare of our constituent people and for the people of Meghalaya.